Uh, Good evening. My name is Vishal Nimbalkar, and today's topic is string methods in Java. And today's date is 14 July 2021. So let's see string class and its methods explained with example in Java. First, string is a sequence of a character. For example, hello is a string of 5 characters, and in Java, string is an immutable object, which means it is a constant and cannot be changed once it has been created. We will learn about string class and string methods in details, along with many other Java strings tutorial. Creating a string. There are two ways to create a string in Java. First is string literal, and second is using new keyword. Let's see first string literal. In Java, strings can be created. String one is a reference variable and its value is welcome. Mm, the problem with this approach, as I stated, that string is an object in Java. However, we have not created any string object using new keyword. The compiler does that task for us. It creates a string object having the string literal that we have provided. In this case, it is a welcome, and assign it to the provided string instances. But if the object already exists in the memory, it does not create a new object. Rather, it assigns the same old objects to the new instance. That means even though we have two string instance, string 1 and string 2, compiler only created on a string object having the value welcome and assigned the same to both the instances. For example, there are 10 string instances that have same value. It means that in a memory there is only one object having the value, and all 10 string instances will be pointing to the same object. What if we want to have two different object with the same string? For that, we will need to create a string using new keyword. Let's see using new keyword. As we saw that when we try to assign the same string object to two different literals, compiler only created one object and made both of the literals to point the same object. To overcome that approach, we can create a string like string 1 is a reference variable is equal to new string and its value welcome, and create a second string str2 is equal to new string and its value welcome. In this case, compiler would create two different objects in a memory having the same string. Let's see Java string methods. List of the methods available in the Java string class. These methods are lots of methods available in the Java string class, and these methods are explained in the separate way. With the help of example, let's see link to the first is a character at integer index. Character at index, it returns the character at the specified index, and specified index value should be between 0 to length -1, both inclusive. It throws index out of bound exception if index is less than 0 or greater than is equal to length of string. Second is boolean equal object. It compares the string with the specified string and returns true if both matches, else false. Third one is boolean equals ignore case string. It works same as equal methods, but it doesn't consider the case while comparing strings. It does a case insensitive comparison. Fourth is integer compared to string. This method compares the two string based on the Unicode value of each character in the string. Fifth one is compared to ignore case string. It is same as compared to method. However, it ignores the case during comparison. Sixth is boolean start with. String prefix and integer offset. It checks whether the substring starting from the specified offset index is having the specified prefix or not. Next one is boolean starts with string prefix. It tests whether the string is having specified prefix. If yes, then it returns the true, else false. Next is boolean ends with string suffix. It checks the whether the string ends with the specified suffix. Next one is integer hash code. It returns the hash code of the string. Next is integer index of integer character. It returns the index of first occurrences of the specified character ch in the string. Next is integer index of in bracket integer character and integer from index. It is same as index of method. However, it starts searching in the string from the specified from index. 12th is integer last index of integer character. It returns the last occurrence of the character ch in the string. Then next integer last index of integer character and integer from index. It is same as last index of integer character method, and it starts search from index. Next is integer index of string str. This method returns the index of the first occurrences of specified substring str. Then integer last index of string str. It returns the index of last occurrence of a string str. And string substring integer begin index, it returns the substring of the string. The substring start with the character at the specified index. Then string substring in bracket integer begin index and integer end index. It returns the substring, and the substring starts with the character at begin index and ends with the character at end index. Then 18 is string concat method. Concatenates the specified string str at the end of the string. String replace character old character and character new character. It returns the new updated string after changing all the occurrences of a old character with the new character. Then next is boolean contains character sequences. It checks whether the string contains a specified sequence of a character values, and if yes, then it returns true, else false. It throws a null pointer exception of yes is full, null. Sorry. String to uppercase local. It converts the string to uppercase string using the rules defined by specified local. Then string to uppercase. This method equivalent to uppercase. And next is public string internal method. This method searches the specified strings in the memory pool, and if it is found, then it returns the reference of it, else it allocates the memory space to the specified string and assign the reference to it. Then public boolean is empty method. This method returns true if the given string has zero length. If the length of the specified Java string is non-zero, then it returns false. Then public static string join method. This method joins the given strings using the specified delimiter and return the concatenated Java string. String replace first. String reject string replacement method. It replaces the first occurrences of a substring that fits the given regular expression rejects with the specified replacement string. Then string replace all method in bracket string rejects and string replacement. It replaces all the occurrences of a substring that fits the regular expression rejects with the replacement string. Then string split, string rejects and integer limit method. It splits the string and return the array of substrings that matches the given regular expression limit as a result threshold here. String split string rejects method. It is the same as a split in bracket string rejects integer limit method. However, it does not have any threshold limit. Then next one is string to lowercase local. It converts the string to lowercase string using the rules defined by given local. Then public static string format method. This method returns a formatted Java string. Then string to lowercase method. This method equivalent to lowercase method. And next one is the string trim method. This method returns the substring after omitting leading and trailing white spaces from the original string. Then next is a character to character array. It converts the string to character array. Then static string copy value of character data. This method returns a string that contains the characters of the specified characters array. And next one is a static string copy value of character data and integer offset and integer count. It is the same as above method with two extra arguments. First is initial offset of a subarray and length of a subarray. Void get characters, integer src begin and integer src end, character dest integer dest begin. It copies the character of a src array to the dest array. Only the specified range is being copied to the dest subarray. And next is a static string value of this method returns a string representation of a passed argument such as integer, long, float, double, character and character array. Next one is boolean content equals method. It compares the string to the specified string buffer. Thank you.